My name is Miss Titolayo. Hope you're happy to see me again. So today we're going to be learning a very special topic in numeracy. It's a new topic to you. I know you've not heard about it before, or maybe you've even heard about it before, but today I am introducing you to volume. Introduction to volume. Okay, so children, I want you to first of all know what volume means. Do you understand? So volume is the amount of space. Volume is the amount of space that the liquid takes up in a container. Volume, amount of space. Okay, let me write it on the board. Volume is the amount of space that a liquid takes up in a container. Okay, so the amount of space each liquid takes up in a container is the volume of that container. Do you understand? For example, this container can take the space that a liquid can take in this container is 75 cl. Do you understand? But volume is the amount of space that the liquid has taken. Maybe, for example, I didn't fill up this container and then it is like this. So the amount of space that that container has taken up is the volume. Good. So now, what is capacity? Today, under volume, we are dealing with capacity. So capacity is the amount of space of a container for holding a liquid. Remember, I told you that volume is the amount of space a liquid is taking in a container. That means the amount of space of this liquid, the measurement of the water or the juice inside the container. But then capacity is the amount of space this container can take. Do you understand? This container is not full. It's not the capacity it can take is 75 cl, but the volume of the water inside of it is not up to the capacity it can take. That is why it is not full. Do you understand? So volume is the amount of the water inside, the measurement of the water or the juice or the tea or the beverage inside it, the measurement of what is inside. But capacity is what it can hold, what it can take, what can fill it to the brim. What can fill up this to the brim is the capacity of the container. The container can take only 75 cl. But right here, I added water of only 60 cl. That means I didn't fill it to the capacity of the container. But the volume of the water is what? 60 cl. So that means the container can take more, right? Yes. So here on this table, I have different containers. They have different capacities. And then I just put a little volume in them. I put some water in them. Do you understand? Okay, so let me define capacity on the board. Capacity is the amount of space of space of a container is the amount of space of a container. So that is showing you that the thing, for example, what this container can take is 75 cl. That is the space in the container. So if I have water that is up to 80 centiliter, that means the capacity is more than the capacity of the container. Do you understand? That means it is more than the capacity of the container. So the space is called capacity, and then the liquid inside constitutes the volume. The space in it is the capacity, what it can take, but the water in it, the liquid in it, the beverage in it, the juice in it is the volume. Do you understand? Okay, so that is that for volume and capacity. So when someone asks you what is the capacity of this container, you just look at it. It is 75 cl. But when they ask you what is the volume of the water inside, what is the volume, then you tell them it's not full. That means it's around 60 cl. You look at the measurement on the plastic, and then, oh, it's 60 cl. Do you understand? You check the level of the water. Do you understand? Okay, so for volume and capacity, we're going to send you worksheets home. You're going to see an empty container and also a container that is half full or even full. So the measurements will be there for you to tell me the measurement of each one. So for capacity, for you to know the capacity of things, we use liter. To measure capacity, measuring capacity, so the measurements for capacity is liter. Measurement for capacity is liter. We have kiloliter, we have liter itself, we have milliliters, and we have centiliters. Most of our bottles in Nigeria are in centiliters, especially for water. But for drugs, you've seen your drugs before, right? There is ml there, that is milliliter. So you see them like this. Kiloliters equals KL. We have centiliters, which are CL. You see them shortened like that. And then we have milliliters. Sorry, let me write it properly. Milliliters, which is ml, and then we have liter itself, liters, which is L. So you see your petrol, it's also a liquid. When daddy goes to the filling station, the fuel station, the gas station to buy fuel into the generator of the car, you see daddy says, I want 2 liters, I want 5 liters, I want 10 liters. You've heard that before, right? So for fuel in Nigeria, we use liters. For our bottles, like water, your bottled drink, we have centiliters. For drugs, mostly you see them in milliliters. That's why your doctor will say give him 5 ml. ml means milliliters. Do you understand? So we have a song for it. So in the next video, we're going to be singing the measurement song. I'm going to keep you guessing. If mommy knows it, I'm sure mommy knows the song. Mommy is going to help you at home. So when we see on our video call, we're going to sing the song together. Do you understand? Bye bye. I love you.